This is a 2004 Chevrolet Corvette. All of the following features are included: traction control and stability control systems, dual power seats, cruise control, a 6-speaker audio system, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, air conditioning with automatic climate control, a rear window defroster, a CD player, heated side view mirrors, and this vehicle has less than 69,000 miles. Please call today to reserve this vehicle for a test drive.
We buy trades for more at Wallace Chevrolet. All trade-ins and all credit applications are accepted. We're located approximately 20 minutes from Palm Beach and St. Lucie County. For more information, please visit our website or come by to see the largest vehicle inventory on the Treasure Coast. We look forward to serving you.